Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Virginia and Cottages. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, spa and a bar. This restored 1879 building is located in the historic district of Cape May. The hotel and cottages feature an exclusive area for hotel guests on the beach and guest rooms with a mini bar and free Wi-Fi. Valet parking is available for guests. Each room at the Virginia and Cottages provides a flat-screen cable TV and a safety deposit box. They are furnished with a refrigerator and include bathrobes for added convenience. A complimentary continental breakfast is served daily at the Virginia and Cottages. The Ebbitt Room restaurant serves American cuisine for dinner during the season. It is open during limited times in the off-season. Guests can use the swimming pools at Congress Hall, 600 feet from the Virginia and Cottages. Emlen Physick Estate is 1 mile away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.